Hello, yogis. Welcome to Rope Sunshine Yoga. If you have the control over your mind, you definitely have the control over your day. 5 minutes of yoga session can seriously do wonders. Let's begin. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Just close your eyes for a second and let's begin. Sit comfortably in any position. Rest your hand in one side and the neck on the other side. Just roll your neck forward and back to the center. Keep doing it for some time. Now let's do the same thing but on the opposite direction. Right hand on the ground, neck bend towards the left. Roll up and to the position. Feel the stress. This is how we activate our neck in the early morning. Now back to position. Let's circle our neck. Observe your body. Let's move to the clockwise and now to the anti-clockwise direction. Make a circle. Make a circle. Great. Now let's move on to the next position. Come to your tummy. Hands by the side. Upper part of the body coming up with inhalation. Look up. It's a cobra pose or the bhujangasana. Exhale, go down. Inhale, look up. Stay there. And exhale, come down. One more time. Inhale, look up. This time, twist yourself gently and look over your shoulder. One side and slowly to the other. Once again, repeat the process. Slowly come to Sashankasana or the child's pose. Our body needs relaxation. Our body needs rest. This is an ultimate position to be in after every asana, after every pose. Now let's move on to all fours. We will be doing cat and camel. Coming to all four, let's begin. Look up with inhalation and look down. Exhalation, arch your back upward. Inhalation, look up. With exhalation, look down and arch your back upward. Let's do it one more time. And look inward. Once you are done, just relax for a while. With inhalation, spread your arms. Exhale and try to connect both the hands forward. Inhale, look up, stretch your hands. Exhale, stretch your hand forward. One more time, let's repeat. Exhale. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. With inhalation, take both the hands forward. Bring it back to the heart with exhalation. Repeat the process. Keep repeating. Now, hands up. Inhale and exhale, hands down. I am sure you will be benefited. Thank you for joining me in this early morning.